What is up guys, Max here, and welcome back to another quick and easy video. Today we're covering freeze framing inside of Premiere Pro, how to do it, and how to do it efficiently. So freezing a frame in Premiere, there's 3 ways to do it. They behave completely differently, and picking the wrong one is why your freeze will never trim the way you want to expect, So 2 minutes, let's do all 3. So when you have a clip in your timeline, all you have to do is hover over where you want it to freeze, right click, and do add frame hold. What this does, I'll label this differently so you can see. It freeze frames, it plays it here, it plays it, it plays it, it plays it. It's kind of long, sorry about that. And then it's going to freeze on this frame, and it's going to frame hold the rest of this clip until it goes to the next clip, which is a different video. Now, if you want to drag this clip to make it longer, I'd need to move it to the next layer and move it down the timeline or something like that. Let it freeze longer. Another way to freeze frame a clip is to highlight it wherever you want right here. Let's do this. Right click, frame hold options, tick hold on, just like that, source time code, click OK. Now this is frozen in time. The entire clip will just be frozen right there. Now if I move it up to the next layer and try to extend it, it won't extend because it's only freezing the clip itself. This clip would not be extended if you need it to be extended. And finally, another way to do it is to just export the frame and make it a frame hold. So as you find your clip where you want it to be frozen, let's say I want this frozen here. If I do this little button right here, export frame, it's going to save the frame as a JPEG or a PNG or whatever file type I want. Let's save it and then drag it back into our timeline just like so. And now we have a PNG that is like where this clip is. And if it plays right here, it's going to stop at that point. Also the color change, which was kind of interesting. Very cool, very cool. Now, at filmit.io, we did develop a free resource to do this very effectively and quickly. Freezing frames in Premiere is pretty easy actually, but I just felt that there was a better way to do it. So this is a free plugin called Shortcut. You can download Filmit Studio. There's a link in the description. Just install Filmit Studio, create an account. It's super easy. Then you get a plugin called Shortcut and other free plugins, Sourcer, Giffer, Shortcut. All this footage from here is from Sourcer. Royalty-free stock footage. You just click insert on your timeline. Let's just click paste to grab a new picture or footage. It's going to paste it right here because that's what it is. We all love royalty-free. And then let's open Shortcut. It's already open here for me. If you need to open it yourself, go to Window, Extensions, and then Shortcut right here. And there's a couple other options in Shortcut, but right now we're focusing on this little icon called freeze frame. And what it does is it just finds your clip. Let's say I want to freeze it right here, and let's do freeze frame. What it's going to do is paste in a freeze frame right here. Basically it did the export frame for us, but it did it very quickly and just puts a frame right there. So if I need this freeze frame, let's just do this, and it puts it right there. And then I can extend it as much as I need very quickly. Personally, I don't like to go right here, add frame hold. I find that this kind of slows me down, honestly, because I can do this no problem, but then what if I need this video still behind it and stuff? That skips all that for me. Shortcut just saves me a little bit of time, and it's a free plugin, so feel free to download and try it out. Same thing for Sourcer and Giffer. Both are free. And once you try Filmit Studio, feel free to give us a free trial to try out all the paid plugins. All very awesome. As always, guys, I'm Max. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks for being a part of the channel. If you're new to the channel, feel free to like and subscribe. Otherwise, I'll catch you guys in the next video.